In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to update your Shopify theme while maintaining the unique customizations and look of your online store. It can seem like a daunting task, but by breaking it down into manageable steps, it becomes quite straightforward. Let's start with the first step, which is creating a backup of your current theme. This is very important if you ever need to revert back to the previous version. To do this, proceed to your Shopify admin page and navigate to the online store and then Themes. Identify your current theme and click on the Actions button located next to it. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu where you should select the option to duplicate your current theme. This will make a functioning backup of your existing setup. Next, we'll move on to adding the updated theme version. Where you find this version depends on whether the theme is from the Shopify theme store or a zip file from another source. If you're updating a theme from the Shopify theme store, what you need to do is go to the theme store, search for your theme, and then click the button that says Add Newest Theme Version to Theme Library. However, if you've downloaded a theme zip file from elsewhere, you should once again go to the online store and then Themes in your Shopify admin. Click on the Upload Theme button and select your new zip file. Now here's the most critical step, transferring your customizations. Since you want to maintain the distinct look of your store, we'll need to manually transfer any custom code or templates from your old theme to your new theme. For this, open the code editor for both the old and new themes in separate tabs. Then, methodically copy any custom code from the old theme's files, including theme.liquid files, CSS files, and JavaScript files, to the corresponding locations in the new theme. If you have created any custom templates, these will also need to be re-added manually. The same goes for any app code or snippets embedded in the theme. Liquid file. Lastly, after transferring your code, go back to Online Store and then Themes on your Shopify admin page. You'll be able to locate your new, customized theme in your library. Go ahead and click Preview to test it thoroughly, making sure that everything is functioning as expected and looking just like you want it. Once you're happy with everything, click Publish to make your new updated theme go live on your store. And there you have it. Your Shopify theme has been successfully updated while maintaining your online store's unique look and feel.